Indicators here, getting in some micros here on ES. Today's been a great day. I traded futures earlier, probably already posted at this point. And yeah, traded options right off the gate. Microsoft melted. Just got in one contract of Microsoft. And man, it was one options contract, and made some money there. That was beautiful. I don't go heavy on Fridays, so traded futures, traded some options, and now we're back on to futures. ES. Look at this beautiful setup. We got an A+ setup, folks, from the Maverick radar. It's grading our entire setup, an A+ setup. That's why I'm getting into 10 here. I normally at this hour would not get into 10, but this is just such a clean, clear chart here. Maverick indicators totally, making it clear vision. Got an A+ setup down here on the Maverick radar. So let's go through why we're in this trade, and let's watch this thing and see what happens here. First things first, we got a red background. Bears are in control. Second thing, price is below the blue line. We love to go short when price is below this blue line here. We got hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Go back and watch Microsoft off the open. Man, we made some money there. Why? Because it just pink. It was like pink almost off the open. And it was like, oh, I'm getting into at least one contract, which I only do one contract on of options on Fridays, and we just rode that sucker down till it kind of bottomed out. And if I get time, I'll post that trade. It was really cool. The Maverick Zones was awesome. Can't wait to release that to you guys. But we had an A+ setup for most of the morning on Microsoft. And right now we got an A+ setup to the downside on ES. So we got hot pink candles. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Hear me now, believe me later. I'm telling you right now. If you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data candle. This is what the data is saying, our formula that we're looking at the data of buying and selling. And right now you got hot pink candles, your strongest downside candle. We also got a confidence arrow that keeps popping in and out there. So that's cool. Maverick trender is completely pegged to the top. When this line is pegged to the top, it's showing massive strength and momentum in the color that it is. Meaning if it's a red line, you're showing massive strength and momentum to the downside. If it's a green line, you're showing a nice pop up. Scalpers, Maverick trender, when it first engages, is a beautiful thing to grab some ticks. Maverick Multi-X, all 5 traders, T1 through T5, their algorithms, but think of them as traders, are all voting bearish across 6 time frames. So I love that. I love that. And again, if you don't know the story, this is an indicator that I created years ago, spent a ton of money creating it. That was version 1. Where, like I always say, we're on version, 150. I always say that, but we're on very many versions later. But I just, to have 6 time frames. Let me put in some stop orders here, folks. Sorry, because sometimes I get carried away talking about the indicators and I forget about the. So anyway, the Maverick Multi-X, 6 time frames, all being monitored by 5 unique different traders, and they're voting every single tick. That's powerful. My eyes only have to go to one little box up here, and I know what's going on multiple time frames. Love that. We got a beautiful sell signal, by the way, way back here. I don't know where I was. I think I was approving some new members. Welcome new members that joined this week. Awesome. So many of you guys crushed it this week, passing evals, getting your first payout and such. It's so cool. So cool. Some of you guys had a better week than me. I love that. Let's see here. So we had a sell signal up here. Beautiful. And then the Maverick radar, the ultimate trading assistant, is giving us an A+ setup to the downside. I'll take that on a Friday. I know profitable traders that haven't traded a Friday in years, but here we are. We traded futures this morning, then options, and now here we are. I'm back on futures. And again, remember, all our indicators work on TradingView and NinjaTrader. I think I was on NinjaTrader this morning. So And now we're on TradingView. Let's see here. So the Maverick Radar is going through our entire checklist to grade of all of our things that we look for from our Maverick indicators. So visually, we have it on our charts, but then we have the Maverick Radar going through our checklist and making sure, do we really have a setup? And if we have a setup, is it just a B setup? Which is okay. We get into B setups because that means it's starting to come around. Or do we have an A plus setup to the upside or the downside? And right now it's giving us an A plus setup to the downside, which I absolutely love. Love that. As long as we're not coming into some major resistance zone, I'm jumping in that sports car and I'm going for a ride. You know what I mean? And right now we have an A plus setup to the downside. So listen, this is what clear vision looks like. This is what clear charts look like. Come check us out. I think I said it previously this morning. I don't know if we posted that trade, but pretty soon, the Ultimate Edge bundle, which comes with the Maverick Radar, the Ultimate Trading Assistant, that's going to be going up in price. We were waiting until it was available on TradingView and NinjaTrader, but that is going up a considerable amount. So if you have not grabbed the Maverick Radar, if you're watching on the sidelines, come check us out. It's not for everybody. These indicators, but man, like I say all the time, we are having so much damn fun. And by the way, if you had a winning week with your indicators, please shoot me an email. Those are my favorite emails to open. I just love it. It just makes my day when I get an email from one of you guys saying, hey, I've been trading. I got one not too long ago. It's like one of our members, like, I've been trading for 10 years and I just passed my first eval like ever because like week one of these indicators, because they're just bringing so much clear vision to my charts. It's like, hell yeah, let's go. You know what I mean? I told you we got a sign up in our office that literally says, help as many traders succeed as possible in 2026. That's our vision. So we got a bunch of stuff cooking for you guys. We want you to succeed as much as possible. So anyway, I'm going to leave my screen up here. We're going to watch where this thing goes and what a true clear vision chart looks like. I won't get too greedy because it is a Friday, so I'm not looking for like some $4,000 move on some micros. I'm going to be smart about it. And I'm just going to, play it safe here on a Friday, especially going into a Friday afternoon, right? We don't want to give anything back. So anyway, let's see how far this one goes and just check out the indicators and look at this A plus setup we have from the Ultimate Trading Assistant, the Maverick Radar. Hot pink candles. All 5 traders are voting bearish across 6 time frames. Guys, we're up almost $400 on micros on a Friday. Tiny risk, much larger reward. Tiny risk, much larger reward. That's the name of the game here. All right, cool. So guys, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your trading day, and we'll try and get this out as soon as possible, unless this thing just runs for like 2 hours and then we'll post it after that. But let's see how long it takes for this trade to play out. But man, it really, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. Pink is your strongest downside data. We have an A plus setup. You're firing on all cylinders here, and man, we are quickly heading towards $500 on micros. Are you kidding me? We're making $1.25 a tick per contract. It's crazy. Anyway, all right, guys, come check us out. Come read what our traders are saying. Boom, we just crossed 500. Let's go. Not financial advice, never financial advice, never a guarantee. In the market, anything can happen. Anybody can tweet anything at any time, but man, this is clear vision. Look, we just touched 600 on micros. This is crazy. All right, guys, I'm having a ball over here. Trade safe, trade smart. Come check us out. If you want clear vision, you want edge in 2026, come check us out. MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com.